Soy una hermana.
Soy una hermana.
Soy una hermana.
Hermanas look after one another.
I think the innate quality that we have as Pobeta is that we actually know how to help each other, especially when we need to reach a goal.
I feel that helping hermanas is about family, and family look out for each other.
I feel that helping hermanas is really a great way to be one with our hermanas in their journey to recovery.
We wanted to create a gift for our alumni where we can share our passions with each other.
It pushed me to really go out of my comfort zone, to be able to help and even inspire and make a difference even for just one person.
Soy una hermana.
Soy una hermana.